I'm Sonia, and today I'm going to show you how to look younger and feel more confident using drugstore makeup. I have partnered with COVERGIRL. I used their products to create this look. I am so happy that I was able to try this and also share the news with you guys as well. So if you're ready, I am, and let's get started. First up, I'm going to prime my skin. I'm using COVERGIRL True Blend Base Business Everyday Defense Primer. And this is just going to get your skin set up for the next step, which is going to be foundation. Today I'm going to be using COVERGIRL with Olay Simply Ageless 3-in-1 Foundation, and I am using the shade number 242 Medium Beige. It was not difficult at all to find my perfect match. It's also formulated with hyaluronic complex and vitamin C. This is going to help lock in the hydration that your skin craves. It's going to even out your skin tone and also help with fine lines and wrinkles. Next, I'm going to be applying some concealer. This one is from COVERGIRL as well. This is a Simply Ageless Instant Fix Advanced Concealer in the shade number 320 Light. You can definitely apply this concealer directly to your face with the soft tip applicator and blend it out with your fingertips or even a brush. I honestly love the feel and the texture of that soft tip applicator. It gets so close to my lash line and it helps to really concentrate on the areas that need the most correction. Also, this concealer blends so effortlessly. It's perfect for any early morning makeup routine, especially when you're in a rush. So if you follow me on Instagram, which is the same name here on YouTube, you probably already know that I'm hosting a giveaway to give you guys some free makeup. And if you guys have not already heard about it, check out the links in the description box down below. Next up, I'm going to do a lot of contour using a deeper shade of that same concealer. I'm using the shade number 390 Deep. This is the perfect contour shade for me, and I'm just going to go into the hollow points of my face to really make the bone structure pop. I love this product because it's very versatile, it doesn't streak, and it just blends right into my skin and it looks so natural. Then I'm going to set all of that using a powder. This is the COVERGIRL True Blends Mineral Powder, and this is a loose powder that's going to go all over your face. It comes with a large fluffy powder puff, but I personally prefer to use a brush. I get all over my face, making sure that I really concentrate on the areas that I use that concealer. This product helps to not only set my makeup, it adds a little bit more color and helps to blend out all of the products that I've already applied onto my face. Next, I'm going to add some color into the contours of my face using the COVERGIRL True Blend Serving Sculpt Palette number 510. This is their Rose Lights palette. Then I'm going to take that pinky blush in the same palette and going over the apples of my cheeks. This product is super pigmented, so I'm going to make sure that I blend that out really well. And then I'm going to top that off with some highlight from the same palette. Now all the colors are very vibrant and very pigmented, so you need a light hand and make sure you blend very well. I also like to use that highlight in the inner corners of my eyes, including my lips, also on the high points of my brows and above my brows to give me a nice dewy, fresh, glowing skin look. It also helps to open up the eyes as well. Then I'm going to go in with the COVERGIRL Full Spectrum palette in So Saturated, and I'm taking this really rich bronzy copper color first all over my lids. Then I'm going to use that same brush and bring it to the bottom lash line as well. Really fun and fresh. Then I'm going to take this cranberry, like frosted cranberry color with my fingertips and add that into the corners of my eyes just for a pop of color. It's very subtle, but it looks so beautiful. And then I'm going to blend all of the harsh edges that I created with my fingers. Then I move on to my brows, and this has been one of my favorite brow pencils at the moment. This is the COVERGIRL Easy Breezy Microfine Eyebrow Pencil in the shade number 705 Rich Brown. This product is perfect for those of us, including myself, who have really thin, light eyebrows and might even have some hairs that might have not grown back from over tweezing. This gives you a really nice natural brow. And to finish up the eyes, I'm going to be using CoverGirl's Exhibitionist Mascara in the shade Very Black. I'm going to do 2 coats on my top lashes and then also a quick coat to my bottom lashes as well, leaving my lashes thicker and darker. And to finish up our look, I'm going to be using a new shade from the CoverGirl Outlast All Day Custom Nudes collection. This is number 960 Universal Nude. Now it comes in a 2-pack like this. First you apply the color, allowing 60 seconds for dry time, and finally I'm going to be applying the moisturizing top coat for shine and comfort. This is going to go on slick like a lip balm, and this is the final look. And that's it. Super easy and affordable. So I would love to hear what your youthful tips and tricks are in the comments below. Also, before you leave, make sure you check out the description box as well. I'll be putting a full list of all the products that I use to create this look, including some helpful shopping links. And if you want to win some free makeup, there's also a link in the description box for you as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!